Alam niyo ba, generally covered ang suicide. Yes, after 2 years. Sabi ni Ed, Sir, kung pa di ko sinadya na nainom ko yung rat poison, kumbaga na wrong, nagkamali, makukuha ba ng beneficiary ko yung life insurance? So, yung first 2 years may contestability, no? Kasi baka naman pinlano, depressed na ganyan, nakalusot, kumuha, then may naiwan pa na pera sa family, no? But beyond 2 years daw, hindi naman daw pinaplano yung suicide. So ito yung mga naatinan ko sa training. So usually, first 2 years mahigpit, ika-25th month onwards, hindi mo paplanuhin na 2 years from now, no? Inumin ko yung poison, ganyan. So, yeah, kahit nagkamali, ganun, kahit nagkamali, possible na makover pa rin yan. Again, beyond 2 years, mas lenient na yung process. Alright? So again, kailangan lang to claim death certificate. Usually, kailangan ng mga konting reports, ganyan. Pero yung first 2 years talaga, yun, mas stringent yung investigate ng mga life insurance companies. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng bayad lang sila ng bayad. Diba? Bawat mamatay, ganyan, baka dinadaya na yung sistema. Alright? So hindi naman basta pwedeng ganun. So wag tayong mainis, no, sa mga life insurance companies. They just have to go through the proper process, proper due diligence to check if the claim is legitimate. Hindi naman pwedeng, di ba? Malulugi ang insurance. Negosyo rin naman yan. Pero that's a very nice, buying life insurance is a very nice hedge towards risk. Alright? To mitigate the risk. Maliit na premium ibabayad mo, marami tayong covered. Kung sino man yung mauna at matamaan, na kahit maliit pa lang naihulog, malaki yung makukuha ng family niya. So this is the concept of life insurance. So of course, wag naman sanang mag-suicide or makainom ng poison or whatever. Alright? But yeah, lalo na yan kung hindi sinasadya, di ba? So definitely, of course, they will investigate if within 2 years. But beyond 2 years, ano na yan, tarito, mas mabilis-bilis yung claim niyan.